What if you could learn a new, in-demand trade skill in just 3 days? That's exactly what happened at our recent hands-on Bodaq installation workshop. By day 3, the trainees were confidently wrapping cabinets, doors, and walls using Bodaq interior film. This innovative material is self-adhesive, durable, and designed to stick to almost any surface. No demolition, no mess. Just heat, apply, and transform. The best part, there's massive demand. Designers, contractors, and business owners are all looking for affordable, fast, and eco-conscious renovation options. If you're looking to start a side hustle, a full-time business, or just want to learn something that pays off, this skill can feed you for years. With the right training, you don't need a background in construction or design. You just need motivation, your hands, and 3 days. Ready to transform spaces and your career? Learn more about our next workshop and start building your future.